All right, good morning, second grade. Today for language arts, we are going to be looking at forming compound words with pictures. All right, so first off, we're going to look at what exactly is a compound word. So two small words can be put together to form a new word. This new word is called a compound word, and this new word has an entirely different meaning. So let's put some words together. So we have basket and the word ball. So we have a picture of a basket and a picture of a ball. But what do we get when we put the word basket and ball together? We get basketball, which makes a specific type of ball for a specific sport. All right, let's look at another example here. So we have the word bed and we have the word room. So we have a picture of a bed and a picture of a room that you would find in a house. And when we put the word bed and room together, we get bedroom, which is a specific room found in your house, typically where people sleep at night. All right, next up we have the word tooth and the word paste. So we have a picture of a tooth here, and we have a picture of paste. So paste is another word that we could use for glue. So when we put the word tooth and paste together, we get toothpaste, which is completely different from those two words that are separate from each other, even though we do use toothpaste on our teeth. So when you put the two words together, they form a different meaning. So another example here would be fire, which is a flame, and fly, which is an insect. So if we put fire and fly together, we get the compound word firefly, which means an insect which carries light with it. Another example of this is book, which is reading material, and store, which is a place where you can buy things. So when we take the word book and store and put it together and make it a compound word of bookstore, we are now talking about a store that specifically sells books. You go into that store looking for books. All right, let's look at a couple of IXL examples here. So for this IXL example, it's going to use a picture along with a word. So the directions are telling us to type the compound word. So we have the word ball, and now we also need to figure out what this is a picture of. So we know in this picture we have a foot. So foot plus ball gives us, and in here we would write football. And we know that when we put those two words together, we all know what a football is, and we know that that is something completely different from what the picture shows us and from what the word here is. All right, let's look at one more example here. So this time they give us the end result, but now we need to figure out what the other word is. So it says type the missing word. So since they're giving us the answer, we know that they're giving a picture of the second word. So we know this is a picture of a fish. And we see that at the end. So we have fish, and the other word that they put together is cat. So in the box, we would write the word cat, because we would have cat plus fish equals catfish. So in this example, we see that it's giving us a specific type of fish. So instead of just a generic basic fish, it's giving us a specific type of fish when we put the word cat and fish together. All right, and that is our language arts lesson for today.